Hello testers. In the last video, we have seen how to create a sample feature file, and we have created a corresponding step definition, and we have run using the npm test. We have added the same command in the package.json file. Now let's try to add the step definition with the help of Playwright. For that, we need import, right? Here we are going to take it from Playwright. Which you need, right? We need three things. One is a browser context, followed by page. Let's try to add the code here, right? Okay. So now you can see let's browser equal to await. So it should be async function, right? So let me mark it as async. Keep it over here everywhere. That's it. So now we need one more thing. Chromium, right? So chromium dot launch, right? We have options. We'll add it, right? For time being, let's make it blank. This is done. Followed by let be context, browser context, you can call it thing, is of type what? This should be type browser. Now browser dot context new context should be good. So this is of type browser context. Okay, you just need to add await. We're good. Finally, page of type page equal to await browser context dot new page. We are good. From here we can now get to the page now, right? Go to, now we are going to use the website lambda test playground, copy paste over here, await. So we have done nothing, created the step definitions. Under the step definition, I'm not filling every step definition. Let's try to add everything in one given block, and then we will destructure it. We'll separate the code later on point. So now try to run it and see if the browser is getting launched. Okay, should be good. TS4. Let me make some options. Headless false. Channel is Chrome. And let's try again. I believe this is related to Cucumber timeout, but let's give it a try. Yeah, should be good. You can see browser is launched. I am seeing why there is no because we are not closing the browser. You can say page dot close, await, await, browser dot close. Let's see, running one more time, CLS. Done. You can see user enters login page, user enters login detail, and everything is done. So now to maximize the browser, I will simply say args. We'll add one argument only as of now, hyphen hyphen start maximized. Try running it. Okay, so here we need to pass the viewport null, run again. So I think we are good, right? Just for the safer side, let's enable the JavaScript also in the browser. So better, right? So this is a basic. Now we'll add every code in this first user is on login page only. Okay, let's leave this as blank as of now, and after that we will stabilize it. So going to this page,